Hey, I wanted to take a minute just to record a video to introduce myself and welcome you to the class. So I am Mr. Edmondson. I'm an instructor here at Gadsden State, and I've been here for 12 years. So I teach mostly the Intro to Biology courses, Biology 103, and then 104, which is what we're taking. I'll do anatomies and physiologies every once in a while too. So this Biology 104 is also called Principles of Biology 2. This is the biology class where you deal with plants and animals and fungi. I know a lot of times when people think of college biology classes, you picture like dissecting frogs and things like that. So that is this class, just a heads up. I know that kind of wigs some people out, so just brace yourself. It's not bad. We do it like half the semester, and then we move on to fungi and plants and things like that. You are taking this as an online class. So real quick, this is going to sound like I'm getting super serious. I promise I'm not. I just want to set you up for success in this class. The great thing about online is that you've got freedom to do this whenever it works for your schedule. If you work during the day, if you've got 12-hour shifts, you can do it on your off day, or you can do it like at night if that's when you have free time. Just be aware that it's the same amount of work. You still have to do it. Just because this is online doesn't mean you can like skip the lecture videos or things like that. You got to do the work, but you've got a lot more freedom to do it on your own time. Okay. The other thing, just real quick, I wanted to make you aware of is that because this is online, we're going to be doing exams and labs remotely from home. You're going to have to purchase a lab kit. So I've got information about that in the syllabus and in this email. But that kit is going to have the specimens that you're going to dissect, and it's going to have some equipment that you need to complete the labs at home. So I want to make sure you realize you have to buy that lab kit. If you don't buy the lab kit, you don't have access to SI Cloud is the name of our lab website. And without SI Cloud, you can't turn in lab assignments. That makes up like 20% or like 2 letter grades of your final grade comes from the labs. All right, so just make sure that you've purchased that if you haven't already, okay? Again, I'm not down on online. It's a really good chance, and for a lot of students, it's the perfect solution for work problems or like busy schedules, or maybe you just couldn't find a Biology 104 that worked for the other classes that you're taking. So just be on top of things. Now, the good news is I'm going to do everything I can to make sure that you're successful. If you'll check Blackboard regularly, I'm going to have announcements every week where I'll let you know this is what you need to be watching, or the labs, or I'll make sure you know of like any tests that are coming up ahead of time. So just kind of stay on the ball, and you should do really well in this class. Lastly, reach out at any point in time if you feel overwhelmed or if you feel like you're getting behind in this class and you don't know what to do. Let me know. That's what I'm here for. Reach out, call me during my office hours, send me a Blackboard message or an email, and I'll be glad to help you out and do whatever I can for you to be successful in this class. All right. If you need anything, let me know. Blackboard is going to be open Monday morning, August 22nd. That's the first day of class. So you won't be able to log in right now, but just check as early as you can Monday morning. And do me a favor, try to do one quick assignment. There's a few there's a syllabus quiz or a diversity project or like an About Me survey. If you'll do those as soon as you can, I can go ahead and count you as having attended the class. And if you're on financial aid, you'll get your aid a little bit quicker too. So just do one thing as soon as you can, as soon as classes open up, and then I'll have a lot more information to let you get started. Thanks.